what we have today, lighting, the GVM 800D RGB lights. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MediaBug CNT Lab. If you're just coming back, like always, I will say to you, thank you. But if this is the first time, remember to click right there to become part of MediaBug's ENT Lab and the notification bell. Why? So you know next time we release a video, they will help you in your next project. And you know what your next project? RGB lighting for your studio. Or maybe you start a brand new YouTube channel. So okay, so today we have once again the GVM 800D and RGB. These are great lighting. Now, not only they are RGB, but lighting wise, it goes from 3200 Kelvin all the way to 56 Kelvins. So nice. We have the nice warm light in the morning, early morning, the sun, all those beautiful pictures you take on the wedding pictures in the late afternoon, or you want like a nice bright or daylight light noontime. You get that nice white light, you can do that. Or you can go through all these changing all those beautiful light. That kind that what I'm using right in my background. I'm using the GVM lights to get the nice, change the color of my background all the time. Very simple, just get a white paper for a backdrop and then keep changing the colors instead of changing the paper. That's pretty tricky. That's a nice way. So now, once again, and because they are RGB light, you can do all this effect, a nightclub, disco, and you can create all this special effect with the lighting. Now, I like this one. They are not big, right? They are nice size, but size not fully because this one has a lot of power, a lot of LEDs. So we have 800 LEDs. And the barn doors, pretty nice and simple to close and open, right? The whole thing here is all aluminum, nice and easy to move the light. Now what I did, and one, it comes with the filter, by the way, but what I did on purpose, I took one filter and the other one has a filter, so I show you that. And it comes with the tripod, so the both light comes in tripod in 78 inches. Comes with a nice package, so when you finish, you can put everything back in the bag, so easy to transport. If you have to go see a client, you can take the bag and take the lighting, so pretty simple. Now the lights runs on battery as well, 7.2, the famous Sony batteries. I do recommend to get batteries. They are, in my case, they are 8,000 milliamp per hour. Those are real good. So I will leave the link right below if you're looking for a nice, powerful battery. It will allow you too many hours of filming with light. Or you can use the power cord like you see right now. And the nice power cord is 110 to 40. You can use this anywhere. Now, from here we can control a master and a slave. We control the hue, the saturation of the light, and also we can connect this Wi-Fi. Now once again, and we can, if we rotate this, let's look this up, we can see right over here with the filter, nice design and simple and powerful lights. Now, but believe it or not, these lights are on and you see nothing shows right over there, but what I did, I paired it with my phone. So you create a local network between one light. So the way to do it, only one lights become master and the next one in slaves you can put up to 11 lights. So what I did, I set channel 11 each one, so you have to make sure they are in the same channel, right? So if you have, because I got more lightings but I have in a different channels, but I want to turn it off in this one's only. So I set channel 11. I set up a local network between these two lights and they are connected. So you press this nice button, you see that automatically comes on. Pretty tricky, you do it with off but not off. They lock in the standby mode. Now from here I can bring this down and let me leave this in. This is about 32. I know it doesn't show you right because it's in too much light right now even for the camera, but this one is about 3200. We can bring this all the way to 56K. You can see the dramatic dash change right there, 56K or 32. But how about we change the saturation? We want to go all the way to an RGB. By the way, that's at 100%. Let me bring that down. Let me bring that to maybe right there, and let's change the saturation to some nice color, purple. I can move this around. They have this nice circle where we can move and we can change colors, right? Blue, we can go green, we can change orange, and you can change the saturation. You can do a lot of these stuff, different effects, and change all these different and tones you through in the application. That's real nice. Now, right in the back, it gives me the RGB, the saturation right there, and the mode I have a Wi-Fi channel, channel 11. Now, you can turn off the Wi-Fi if you want. Since this is my master, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the master. That's it, rotate the slave master. So this one is you control too. So it takes a second to let's see, I say it takes a second to talk, and then that's it. Now they're connected. Now you can see, I can, if I bring one up, see, it brings the other one. We can see that, and we can bring this to 32. Let's bring this down. So, and if you want to change the saturation, we can do it from here, and it gives different different colors as well too. So definitely let's turn this up. This one. So definitely they're real cool lights. What I like, they are nice and small, powerful light. I like it to run with battery if you want, and you can change the color. And if you have it like in the front of you and you want to change the light and you want to do, you can do it right there from your phone. You can set the lights. Okay, let me change color. Oh, if you have somebody can do that for you. But I think that's a real nice way to control the lights. And actually, those goes back to my studio now. I'm gonna hook up in the main studio there to change my my background color, like you see here. All right. So that's it. With this, we complete the video. If you have any questions or any doubts about, you can always leave me a comment, and I will leave the information right below this video. All right, thank you guys. Bye.